Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here and today we will be discussing about the very first topic in civics section, that is democracy. Now, first of all, the word democracy has been derived from Greek word demos, that means people, and kratos, that means power. Therefore, democracy is a form of government or a system of government where people have the power or people have a choice to choose their representatives or choose their leaders. Now, how do they choose their leaders? Through elections. By voting for their leaders, people are able to choose their representatives. Now, there are various types of government that exist in the world. Before going to that topic, what is government? Government is a group of people that govern or rule an entire country, a state, or a community. Now, these are of various types. Governments are of various types. First is democratic type of government, that is elected by the people. Now, imagine having power to choose the monitor of your class. That is called democracy. When people of a country have power to choose their leaders, to choose their representatives, it is called a democratic form of government. Monarchy is when a country is ruled by a king. When a country is ruled by a king, it is called a monarchical form of government. Dictatorship is when one single person has all the powers and everyone has to follow his policies. Imagine a bully person having all the power in your class and he asks everyone to follow his orders. That is what dictatorship is. Under dictatorship, an individual has gained powers and everyone has to follow his orders, his policies. Presidential form of government is where president is the chief executive and he is elected for fixed term like 4 years, 5 years, and such type of government is found in USA. Now under unitary form of government there is only one government that rules the entire country for years and years, and such type of government is found in France. Next is federal type of government. In this, power is divided between central government and state government. For example, there is a different government for the entire country India and a different government for state Haryana. This is how power is divided between center and states. There is one government ruling the country and a government that is governing the states. And such type of government is found in India. Now this gives us a rough idea about the types of governments. Let's get back to the topic. What is democracy? So democracy refers to a system in which government is formed by the people. How? Because people choose their representatives. People choose their representatives through elections. People elect their government. Under democracy, there is freedom of speech. People have the freedom to speak what they want, what's there in their mind. There is no one party system in the country. A democratic country has many parties, multiple parties. No single party can rule the entire country. Common people are considered as the primary source of political power. Why? Because common people have the right, have the power to choose their leaders. So they are considered as the main source of power. And there are principles of equality and respect in a democratic country. Now, there are certain elements of democracy, and they are: free elections are used to select their leaders. Free elections are used to conduct the process of choosing our leaders. People are not charged for voting during elections, and thus it is called free elections. People have the freedom to live, to travel anywhere in the entire country, and people have the freedom to receive free education in public schools. These are certain principles of democracy. Now, we know that there is a democratic form of government in India. Now, our political system is divided into three groups: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Now, the group of entire ministers falls under the category of executive. All executive powers are vested in the hands of president, and president acts on the advice of a group of ministers called council of ministers. And who is the leader of that council of ministers? Prime minister. Under legislature comes the parliament, in which laws are made. Legislature consists of the law-making body, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And judiciary includes the courts like Supreme Courts, High Courts, and District Courts. These are the justice providing bodies. So, executive consists of president, vice president, and council of ministers. Legislature consists of law-making body, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, whereas judiciary consists of the justice providing bodies, that is all the courts. So this was a brief introduction on democracy. We will further study equality in democracy and a few features of democracy in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day.